Hey everyone, if you're like me and you're looking to play those old-time PC games, specifically Backyard Football 1999 for the PC, but you got Windows 10 and or something else that's much more advanced than Windows XP, Windows 98, 95, then this is the installation video for you. All you have to do, and the links are below in order to be able to download these things, is download the game and download Scum VM software, which is completely free, completely virus-free as well. First, we'll go and download Backyard Football 1999 for the PC version. As you can see here, it's on abandonware.com. Completely free and no virus is detected as well. Then you're going to go over to Scum VM downloads, and I'm, like I said, is doing Windows, so you download Scum here. I already downloaded it as well to make the video go faster. And then you'll go to your download folder. You'll have your installation for the Scum, and you'll have the installation for the zipped folder for Backyard Football. So you might need to download a zip folder or a zip folder extraction software like RAR, but my computer does it already without having to take anything over to anywhere else. So you'll open this, and these will be all your game files. You'll go over here, you make a folder on your desktop. I'd title it BF for Backyard Football, and then you're going to take football.a, football.b, move them over to this folder. Then you're also going to want to find the HE files in the game files. Those are titled Humongous Entertainment Files. There should be 3 of them, 2, 0, and 4. You'll take those, you put them in the folder that you just made. Then you're done. You download Scum, you install it. Once the installation is completed, you'll open it like so, and you'll get this pop-up here. You're going to want to add a game, and in order to add a game, it'll bring up where you want to get the game files from. Since we made it on the desktop folder, we'll go to our desktop. You just click the folder, and you choose that. It'll come up with an ID, the name, okay, and then when you want to play, you just press Backyard Football. Start. And voila. The great thing about this in particular is you can move it. It's not full screen, and if you wanted full screen, you can play it in the windowed version. So you're able to, if you want to stream it or record anything, you're able to do it. Now, what's even cooler is that everything is saved. So I have a season that I started, and I can close it out anytime, and it'll be right back where it is when I come back, just like the old time. So if you're interested in doing that, now you know how to. And if you have any questions or other games you'd like me to try and show you how to install, because of all this nonsense going on, leave it in the comments below, and I appreciate you, and enjoy the sports that you play while we don't currently have any. Take care.